Imagine you're running a popular online store. One day, your website crashes due to high traffic and customers can't buy anything. Frustrating, right? What if you had a tool to manage traffic smartly? That's where Azure Traffic Manager and Azure Firewall come in. These tools keep your site running and protect it from threats. Let's explore how they work and why they're essential. Overview of Azure Traffic Manager. Azure Traffic Manager is a load balancer that distributes traffic to ensure your applications are always available and perform well. It acts as a traffic cop for your website, directing visitors to the fastest and healthiest routes. This minimizes downtime and maximizes performance, giving users a smooth experience no matter where they are. Azure Traffic Manager also optimizes resource utilization by distributing traffic across multiple endpoints, preventing overloads and crashes. This is especially useful during peak times, such as holiday sales or product launches. Traffic routing methods. Azure Traffic Manager offers several routing methods to handle traffic effectively. 1. Performance routing. Performance routing directs users to the closest and fastest endpoint. It's like choosing the quickest route on a GPS. This method ensures your users get the best possible speed and performance. Imagine a customer in Europe accessing your website, hosted in the US. Performance routing will redirect them to a server in Europe, reducing load times significantly. Demonstration. To configure performance routing, go to the Azure portal, navigate to your Traffic Manager profile, and select the Configuration tab. Choose Performance as the routing method, add your endpoints, set geographic regions, and save your settings. Traffic Manager will now direct traffic based on performance. 2. Priority routing. Priority routing sends traffic to primary endpoints first. If the primary is down, it switches to the secondary. This is crucial for maintaining uptime. For example, if your main server in New York goes down, traffic is rerouted to a backup server in London. Your users won't even notice the switch. Demonstration. To set up priority routing, go to the Azure portal, open your Traffic Manager profile, and select Configuration. Choose Priority as the routing method, list your primary endpoint, and add secondary endpoints. This ensures traffic is directed to the primary endpoint first and switches to secondary endpoints if needed. 3. Weighted routing. Weighted routing distributes traffic based on assigned weights. This method is perfect for scenarios where you want to test new features or balance the load across multiple servers. Let's say you want 70% of your traffic to go to a powerful new server and 30% to an older one. Weighted routing makes this possible. Demonstration. For weighted routing, access the Traffic Manager profile in the Azure portal, and under Configuration, select Weighted. Assign weights to your endpoints according to your needs. Save the configuration, and Traffic Manager will distribute traffic based on the weights assigned. 4. Geographic routing. Geographic routing directs traffic based on the user's location. This is useful for complying with data regulations and providing localized content. For instance, users in Asia can be directed to servers in Asia, ensuring compliance with regional laws and faster access to content tailored to them. Demonstration. To implement geographic routing, go to your Traffic Manager profile in the Azure portal and select Configuration. Choose Geographic as the routing method, define geographic regions, and associate them with specific endpoints. Save the settings to start routing traffic geographically. 5. Subnet routing. Subnet routing uses the user's IP address range to route traffic, ideal for internal traffic management within a large company network. Demonstration. Configure subnet routing by choosing Subnet in the Traffic Manager profile, specifying IP ranges, and associating them with endpoints. Implementing Traffic Manager for high availability and global routing. Setting up Azure Traffic Manager is straightforward. First, configure your endpoints. These are the servers where your application is hosted. Next, set up routing profiles. Choose the routing methods that best suit your needs. Finally, monitor endpoint health. Traffic Manager checks the health of your endpoints and routes traffic away from any that are down. Demonstration. In the Azure portal, navigate to your Traffic Manager profile, add your endpoints under the Endpoints tab, and configure health probes to monitor endpoint health. Set up routing profiles by selecting the appropriate routing methods under the Configuration tab. Monitor the endpoint health from the Overview section to ensure high availability. Using Traffic Manager, you can achieve high availability by ensuring your application is always accessible, even during server failures. Global routing capabilities allow you to provide a seamless user experience worldwide. By distributing traffic across multiple regions, you reduce latency and improve performance for users everywhere. Introduction to Azure Firewall. Now let's talk about security. Azure Firewall is a cloud-based network security service that protects your resources from threats. Think of it as a security guard for your network, monitoring and controlling traffic based on rules you set. It ensures only legitimate traffic gets through, keeping your data safe. Azure Firewall provides comprehensive protection by combining several advanced security features. It uses stateful firewall technology, which means it inspects incoming and outgoing traffic and maintains a record of active connections. This allows it to make more informed decisions about which traffic to allow or block. Deploying Azure Firewall for network security. Deploying Azure Firewall is simple. Start by setting up the firewall instance in your Azure portal. Configure the network settings to define which traffic should be allowed or blocked. Integrate the firewall with other Azure services like Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center for enhanced security and monitoring. Demonstration. To deploy Azure Firewall, go to the Azure portal and create a new firewall instance. Configure your virtual network and set up the firewall rules under the Rules tab. Integrate the firewall with Azure Monitor by enabling diagnostics settings to track and analyze traffic. Azure Firewall offers several key features. Threat intelligence-based filtering blocks traffic from known malicious IP addresses. This is like having a list of bad guys and stopping them at the gate. Application and network rule collections allow you to define rules based on application protocols and network traffic. You can control which applications can access your network and from where. Deploying Azure Firewall also provides you with detailed logging and monitoring capabilities. You can track all traffic that passes through the firewall, helping you identify and respond to potential threats quickly. Integration with other Azure security services further enhances your ability to protect your network. Configuring rules and policies in Azure Firewall. Configuring rules in Azure Firewall is crucial for effective network security. Application rules define allowed and blocked applications. For example, you can allow traffic from your CRM application, but block traffic from unknown or risky applications. Network rules control traffic based on IP addresses and ports. This means you can allow traffic from specific IP ranges and block everything else. Demonstration. In the Azure portal, open your firewall instance and go to the Rules tab. Create application rules by specifying allowed applications and their protocols. Set up network rules by defining allowed IP ranges and ports. Save the rules to enforce network security. Common configurations include allowing specific inbound and outbound traffic. For instance, you might allow inbound traffic on port 80 HTTP and port 443 HTTPS, while blocking other ports. Blocking malicious traffic is another essential configuration. You can create rules to block traffic from known malicious IP addresses and domains, protecting your network from threats. Policy management is an ongoing process. Create and apply policies based on your security requirements. Regularly monitor and update rules to adapt to new threats. Use Azure's logging and monitoring tools to keep an eye on traffic and identify any suspicious activity. In today's digital world, managing traffic and securing your network is vital. Azure Traffic Manager and Azure Firewall provide robust solutions for these challenges. Traffic Manager ensures your applications are always available and perform well, while Azure Firewall protects your resources from threats. If you found this video helpful, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and stay secure.